Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to back up iPhone to iCloud. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be wondering how to turn on iCloud backup. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click this settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to find here something say your profile name and your all details about your Apple ID or iCloud. So you're going to click over there and then we're going to see skin appear just like this. Here as you can see something say iCloud. I am using the free iCloud, which is 5 GB with all device there, all iCloud account Apple giving 5 GB storage free. You can also upgrade storage to 50 GB, 200 GB or 2 TB over the internet by paying monthly subscription. But in this video I will share it to is the phone is iCloud is turned on or not. Also obviously you need to remember your iCloud account and password, so later on if you have any other device you can sign in that account and you will get all your contact details, messages, notes or all other things backup, or it's going to be appear in your new device. Anyway, let me see is my phone iCloud has turned on or not. So you need to click this iCloud and then we're going to see skin appear just like this. Here we're going to see something say device backup. My one is iCloud turned on. If you click here you can see backup this phone. So that means this phone iCloud has turned on. If your device not turned on, you can turn on with this simple step, just like this. You can turn on your device. If you for example you might be turned on now and you want to let your iCloud take a backup, you can click here backup now. So it's going to be take a backup right now. So this is also one thing with the simple way you can turn on iCloud backup. But you might be looking for which is the apps has turned on iCloud backup. If I go back and we're going to see all apps, we're going to see all the apps which apps has turned on iCloud backup. For example, you can see this photos apps is off but iCloud driver is on, password and keygen is on, notes is on, messages is on, and other more apps on. If you decide to turn off some apps, you can just turn off just like this. So within this simple way you can easily turn on iCloud backup in your iPhone. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.